What's up, guys? This is Marshall in Mesquite, Texas. Show a couple of my builds. This is my first build. It was a Schwinn beach cruiser I bought at Sears. Got some mini apes on it. This thing was really heavy, so I didn't keep this one for very long. This here's my second build. It's one of my favorite bikes now. This is a 3G built by Silva out of California. It's a foot forward frame. You see the pedals are not directly underneath the seat. They're moved forward. Makes this thing really easy to pedal. I bought all my parts from Pirate Cycles. Got the YZ80, the 66cc motor, which I have put two of my bikes down on the ground. That's why I got that sticker on it. Has the spring tensioner, so I really love that. It's got my mirrors from Pirate Cycles. This bike is so easy to pedal compared to that Schwinn. I'm looking for some saddlebags for it now. This bike usually came with 3-inch beach tires on it, but I've not been able to get those on there yet. I got to get some special mounting brackets for the motor. So I got these little knobbies on there now. They're kind of skinny. Makes it kind of scary at high speed, but say it's I've been online looking for 3Gs. I've not seen anybody do a 3G motor yet on a 3G bike, so I figured I'd show off mine. If anybody else has a 3G out there, I'd like to see it. It's a very large framed bike. I'm 6 foot tall, 240 pounds, and it's easy to pedal for me. My arms are stretched all the way out on it. We'll go take a look at the bike rack I got for my truck. Alright, here's the bike rack. This is called a Swagman. You get this at Camping World for about 140 bucks. Show you how easy it is to get it put on. That's it. Bike is on. I added the lights myself. Added some lights. I got my license plate framed there with the light. Hooked right into the truck. You know, people drive. They'll drive right up on you. I like this bike frame. You don't hang it by the body. It sits in there real tight. I've taken this thing from Mesquite all the way to Boston, Massachusetts. I've taken it off-road too a couple times. It bounces around just a little bit, but that bike's never moved. You can tell by the truck it's I take it on some rough stuff sometimes. Like I said, it's 140 bucks at Camper World. It's called a Swagman. Really simple. It folds up real nice and easy to take off. Like I said, lights were added afterwards.